Apologies for the technical issues. Once again, I will try testing my screens and everything before I actually start streaming next time, because I don't like having this sort of issues. Okay, let's start learning. So I think, give me a second. I think I have yesterday's things opened, so I'm just going to actually go from there. Yes, I do. Let's do this. Hey, so I stopped around here where the guy was just going over the settings and all, but reconnect please. But I did have an issue with just running some things in Colab, so I'm gonna see if I can check those. Whoa, the color is the same color as my background. That's cool. What's up? Did you reconnect? Did you not reconnect? Do we have this line? This is the first line? But I thought, no way, this is the first line. This is the real one. Okay. Yes. So this is lesson 1, giving you just information. There are some I think I know what this is. Maybe not. No, I don't. Okay. Interesting articles here. And streaming is still happening, right? Because I think something happened to my testing. Where can I check it? I think we're good. Okay. Let's see. Books. Ooh. Syllabus. I think he will read those things, so I don't really need to read them, but right now, okay, I wanted to see if I can run these things. What about this one? Model not found error. So if I just comment this out. Oh, wait, what? Each time I forget what type of commenting I should be doing. This is fun. There, okay. Would there be no problems? I'm probably gonna need it later, but testing things. Shoot. Module not found. Why? Does that mean like this is too old, or does it mean that hey, I was supposed to say copy and paste in Google? It should be a thing that currently exists, isn't it? Package missing. Hey, I'm not the only one. So my pip is old? No. Okay, or am I using the wrong... Oh, it's not even installed? But why should it be installed? Should it be installed? I'm not... What is that? What's with the yellow squiggly lines? Could not... Okay. Hey. Could not be resolved. Report missing imports. Shouldn't Google learn how to fix this themselves? Oh shoot. Oh wow. Huh. I thought... Oh. We're supposed to install Panda. Or not. I thought the Anaconda one, I thought we wouldn't need it. Oh, not you, sorry. Wrong tab, go back. So this is fine now. I'm guessing I should also say pip installed fast.ai, but it didn't give me error for the first line, so see? I'm gonna try that. Here. I doubt it will work, but we could try. I really need to fix my mic. It is like hindering me typing. Can I... If I do this, it will happen twice, right? Because it's already there? Sure. We already did that? Oh, what? It was fine a second ago. I don't get it. Let me know if anyone gets it. Let's try here. Oh wow, it's actually working because I did the pip install, but this line is still giving me error. Okay, let's go back to Jeremy Howard's. Going back for like a few 10 seconds. He copied and pasted the Kaggle thing, which I will definitely go back and rewatch in a bit because I'll need to do the same and have a Kaggle sign up and all that.
One thing I noticed is that at least recent versions have started adding this minus 2.0 thing to the command. That doesn't seem to work with all versions of curl, so something you might want to do is to
back then we didn't have Windows
is
paste?
to pop that into an editor, find that to get rid of it, and then use that instead. Okay. Now, one thing to be very careful about, by default, curl downloads the file and displays it in your terminal. So if I try to display this, it's going to display gigabytes of binary data in my terminal and crash it.
Okay.
So to say that I want to output it using some different file name, I always type -o for output file name, and then the name of the file. Bulldozer.
Oh, sorry.
Dot, and make sure you give it a suitable extension. So in this case, the file was train.zip. Okay, so bulldozers.zip. And there it is. Okay, and so there it all is. So I could make directory bulldozers.
Oh, so he downloaded it onto his computer, but I'm guessing we shouldn't need to do that because we're using like an online. Someone's asking a question. What was it? Repeat it, please. Oh, make it white? Oh, it's too small. I see. That's cute. Okay.
Okay, and then if you don't have unzip installed, you may need to sudo apt install unzip, or then you're on a Mac.
I am on a Mac, sadly.
If Brew doesn't work, you haven't got Homebrew installed, so make sure you install it.
I did install Homebrew.
Okay, and so they're the basic steps.
Coolsies.
One nice thing is that if you're using Kressel, most of the data sets should already be pre-installed for you.
See, that's what I was thinking.
So what I can do here is I can say open a new tab,
I am not using what he said,
Here's a cool trick in Jupyter.
but I'm using
you can actually
Colab.
say new terminal.
Should be the same idea, right?
And you can actually get a web-based terminal, right?
What?
And so you'll find on Cressel there's a /datasets folder, /datasets/kaggle.
Hold up.
/datasets.
Please tell me we still have this. We have this datasets. No. Folders. Sample data. Yep, we have the train dataset, so we should be good, right? Let's see. If I fail, please help me, guys.
/fast.ai. Often the things you need are going to be in one of those places. Okay, so assuming that we don't have it already downloaded in Paper, actually Paperspace should have most of them as well.
Paperspace.
Then we'd need to go to fast.ai. Let's go into the courses machine learning folder. And what I tend to do is I tend to put all of my data for a course into a folder called data. You'll find that if you're using, we're using Git, right? You'll find that doesn't get added to Git because it's in the Git ignore, right? So don't worry about creating the data folder. It's not going to screw anything up. So I generally make a folder called data.
Did I get a chat?
And then I tend to create folders for everything I need there. So in this case, I'll make the bulldozers CD. And remember, the last word of the last command is $! I'll go ahead and grab that curl command again.
I'm not gonna do any of those things.
Okay.
For now.
Bulldozers.
Until he does something with the code, and then when I run it and face issues, then I'll go back and see.
You can now see I generally have like anything that would change, that might change from person to person, I kind of put in a constant. So here I just define something called.
Let's see. I think ours was the same, so it means we may not have it. We may not have it. Oh, we don't have the data. We just have, what does this read me? We have the sample. Ooh, what is these? Where was I? Read me. Open up. I mean, someone's run this. Directory includes a few samples to get you started. Ooh, MNIST. That's cool. But what about the train? I'm guessing this is empty. Yeah, we don't have the data folder. Why did I go back? Now I don't know how to go forward. Guys, what do I do here? What is this? Nope. Do I just refresh? Oh, hi. Hello. I am pretty good. But like, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, let me refresh. Oh, why not? Oh, if I reload, my run things go away. And it says cannot save changes, so that's not nice. I added a cell. I hope you had a nice sleep, Danny. And a good, really early morning. People shouldn't be as chipper as me in the morning, should they? And I call myself a night owl. What's with the refresh? No. Okay. I have young people around me that are like you. That's actually funny. A morning owl. Why not? Okay. I added a line here, which was copied from here with the pip install pandas. So if I say pip install u, and then add a line of code, pip install the other thing that's giving me. I just want to be all fast AI, right? That should make some sense. Yeah, I know. This one worked. Yes. Oh, already satisfied. Oh, we already did it, so we don't need to. But this one is not. Don't give me errors. Yes. When I don't have university or something to do, I usually just stay awake until I automatically shut down for an update. I think when you like wake up at a reasonable time one day, and then supposedly that night you will become sleepy at a more reasonable time, and having something to look forward to in the morning is also fun, because like maybe like before going to sleep I'm like, I want to watch this video episode or just movie, and I'm like, I can do that tomorrow. Literally nothing is stopping me except having to go to work, which I can wake up 1 hour earlier, do that in the morning. So you could test it or not, whichever works for you. I need to have this data folder. Yay. Oh, I didn't run this yet. Let's run this. So now it should work. Please. Yeah, that I think I used to think the same, but it's true and not true depending, you know? So yeah, you're right. Oh, come on, what's with the error? Do I have to just say pip install fast AI structured? And if it doesn't exist, what do I do? Oh, not you. Fast AI structured. Go. Please work. I am currently learning machine learning. It's the let's go back to the main page. It is intro to machine learning for coders. Hi, hello, Stofa. You should restart the runtime after. Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, really? Military. Okay. It is complicated or not, but it's the intro to machine learning for coders, and Stofa is giving me a good point. Okay, so runtime. Oh shoot! It's not GPU. Darn it. It should be GPU first. It's sometimes required by collab. Really? Oh, thanks for the heart. That was cute. Okay, so first I updated it to GPU. So I'm just gonna run the things one more time, and then I don't know if anything changed, and then I'm gonna restart runtime, which I'm guessing it should be here. Yeah, see? Okay, already satisfied, that's good. But also, like, I need to install the data, which is on Kaggle, which I don't have an account, so that's a whole thing that I should do. This is okay. Okay, already satisfied. We already did all of that. I am on Mac, sadly. Not the biggest fan, but I have a map. How do I refresh? Whoa, wait. You forgot to connect your Kaggle kernel to internet. That's actually cute. That's funny. Is there a... You said restart runtime, right? I think should it be here? Where is it? Tools menu. Sorry, thank you. Mac Mini. You have a Mac Mini? M1, I think mine's also M1, but yes. Settings? Or just settings maybe? Runtime menu. Oh, of course. I was there just a bit. I just can't see anything that says restart. Oh, restart. Yes. Thank you. Sorry. Also. So the restart. Okay, it's restarting. That's it. It said restarting here, and then do I need to rerun things? Oh, thank you. That's cute. Wait, what I wanted is runtime. Okay, runtime type is the old one, so I'm guessing I don't need to run things again. I'm gonna try you. Still error. I'm gonna try this, but then could not find a version that satisfied the thank you. The thing is, it's telling me that there's an error here, which for now I'm gonna just tell it to shut up, because if I do this it works. I don't know what we need the fast.ai structured for. But this import isn't working, so for some reason. Okay, I'm gonna check what Jeremy's doing. I think he's going to actually do it. I don't have the bulldozer one, so I'll need to do the whole thing of connecting to Kaggle, sign up and all that. So
but if you've used it, and let's go ahead and keep moving along. So we've now got all of our libraries imported.
Yeah, he's moving pretty fast, isn't he?
You can run shell commands from within Jupyter Notebook by using an exclamation mark. So if I want to check what's in data/bulldozers, okay, and you can see that works. Or you can even use Python variables. If you use a Python variable inside a Jupyter shell command, you have to put it in curlies.
Oh, okay. That's cute. Put it in curlies.
So that makes me feel good that my path is pointing at the right place. If you say ls curly capitals path and you get nothing at all, then you're pointing at the wrong spot.
Do I have...
Yes. Let me do this.
Do I have
It's up here.
lagging issues?
Yeah, so the curly brackets refer to the fact that I put an exclamation mark at the front, which means the rest of this is not a Python command, it's a bash command. And bash doesn't know about capital path because capital path is part of Python. So this is a special Jupyter thing.
I keep getting errors
says,
telling me that
this Python thing, please.
My internet or stuff like that is bad, so... Ooh, already 3 likes, man. I'm popular. You can tell us everything you know and learned in the 7 years of experiencing like languages and other stuff. What do you think are the most important things of them? Good question. I think in the first 4/5 years I was focusing on, development and thank you, like software engineering things, so I was learning a lot of stuff. But now for the past over to sorry for the lag for the past few I see my viewership drop, that's why I'm saying, oh, that's great. Okay, so it's just image. Okay. I thought, yeah, anyway, doesn't really matter. But yeah, now I'm working more on the data management and data science related things. I wouldn't really call myself a data scientist, but I work in that type of things, because nowadays sadly it's over 70% Excel sheets, but you can also use pretty cool tools like Power BI, R language. I haven't actually used Python, but I've used R at work. So depends on which type of work, and I think it might be interesting to make a video of this, maybe. I don't know. I don't know really if it's relevant, because I am no longer a software person, like programmer, but yeah, maybe it's like more career advice style versus tools to use. I don't know. Okay, Kaggle. Should we jump to Kaggle? Because I was working with .NET and like Microsoft technology, I don't think like independent, or what is the word for it? Oh, my brain is stopping. I don't think freelancers use that much Microsoft technology, as it's not free. So that's why I don't really discuss the exact things I was using. Yeah. Blue Book. You think it's better than development in terms of salaries? No, not really. Matter of interest. I wanted to go from like working in the same company for almost 5 years. Holy shit. Am I... What? No! Am I still live? God, this is cruel. Bitrate is super bad according to YouTube. No. And I really can't do anything about it. Okay, so Danny's still messaging me, means I'm still live, but YouTube is telling me that it's bad. Like, is the stream ended? I don't know. Test, hello. Okay, I'm technically still here. Whew, sorry. Oh, thank you for staying here. Okay. Depends, by the way. Sorry. The internet speed isn't the best. Yes. I connected to a router that's closer to me, but for some reason it disconnected, and now it's connecting me to a router that's pretty far away from me, and that is one of the reasons that it's laggy. Like if it was, if I was closer, it shouldn't be like that. Oh my god, you can actually hear them? Yes. What? You can hear them? Yes. Well, I don't think it's a country thing. I think it's a neighborhood thing. I live in a place that's pretty, no, Stofa, I don't think it's from your side, because like even right now YouTube is telling me I have 0 concurrent viewers. I don't know who I'm talking to. Ghosts. You can hear the dogs. I didn't think that's possible. Can you also hear the cars? No, Stofa, I don't think it's from... Okay. Now, where am I? So Kaggle also allows you to run, doesn't it? Right? I think stuff should have the info here. I think. Stray doggos or pet doggos, because here they're stray. Okay. I think if a motorcycle passes by like vroom, you'll hear them, but because I'm pretty. Thank you. The emojis are cute. Yeah, I was saying that I live in a part of the city that's pretty like suburban, away from things, but also really close to the highway, which you'd be like, why are there dogs if it's close to the highway? I guess the dogs are not scared of cars. Question again for Stufa is, can I run this in Kaggle? I should be, right? Because it's a notebook, so I can just register and do things here instead of Colab, right? Right? Both stray and home doggos. Aww. We don't keep pet dogs because not. Yeah, I don't actually hate the sound of the cars. Like sometimes my family's like, it's annoying, but we're used to it. It's been here for a while. I think it's like a interesting background, like white noise, but also thank you, I'm gonna do that. Yes, I'm lazy. Register with Google. But also it's sad that you can't really hear nature sounds because of the cars. We have birds, but it's far less than it used to be. For me, you can connect to the internet. You never know, honestly. Like when I'm doing these lives, I'm like, am I connected to the internet? I question all my life choices. Our name is CL. What? I can have that? I can have that? No, right? Yeah, oh, okay. Okay, so this is like a username, not just a name. Okay, let's go for code life CL, because my username is like that in a lot of other places. Go. Sure, of course, I agree. Send you messages. Sure, why not? I believe it's called brown noise, when the background noise is louder than white noise. I have heard of that. Yes. There's like a thing where you check different types of. What was it? I saw it somewhere. There's white noise, like blue noise, like pink noise. It's pretty interesting. Brown noise and all that. I think there was a video I watched recently, probably something like that's recommended to everybody, those type of videos. Okay, so I'm gonna try running things here, okay? Wish me luck. Eh? Oh, is this it? Copy and edit? Ah. Yes. Shoot. Do I have to? Give me a second. For model training, I tend to use Kaggle more since it's offered machine. Thank you. I'm more powerful. I think I'm a super newbie in Kaggle, so thank you for being here and giving me advice. I think. Yeah, I'm happy that I'm using this. I've used Paperspace like just a tiny bit when I was trying to follow along with something else. I haven't used Kaggle, and I've used Colab also a tiny bit. Giving you my phone number. I think I have to, right? I am not a robot. Yay. Waiting for verification code. I still cannot share my screen because you will see my phone number. 995042. Don't write it, guys. Each time I'm like, if I read the code out loud, you guys will know. Great. Am I still live? Is it gone? Hello. YouTube is telling me stream is just dead, and now it's saying excellent connection. I don't understand anything. Okay. Thank you. And sorry for, you're not asleep. I thought, yes, bye. Have a great time, Danny, with your friend. Kaggle learned this from Facebook, I guess. Give you. Okay. Ooh, now I see my Kaggle settings page. Everybody learned this from Facebook and thank you. Sorry. Honestly, I'm really sorry. Like, I understand if people thank you. I understand if people are just like not gonna watch it. Too annoying with all the technical issues. It's telling me the stream will end shortly because it's getting no data. I think YouTube is being like what's that? The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Okay. So what is that? Bad data. Okay, not no data. What did I just click that took me there? Kaggle lesson 1. Where was that? I lost it. It was in the wiki. I'll get back there. 1 hour of quote unquote learning, and nothing is happening still on my side. I did the copy and edit, so I should be able to just go to my things. Go back, wait. Okay. I have 0 notebooks, so the copy and edit didn't work, so I should do it again. Okay, so now it should work. Oh shoot, dude, come on. I just verified my phone number. I'm gonna hide my screen again. This is me hiding my screen. I did. I literally just verified it. I suppose I gave you the wrong number. Okay. Re-verification. I did. Wait. My code was... No, I did it the correct way. 5042. I love 42. Yeah, phone number already used for my personal account. No. Phone number already used. Because I have a personal Kaggle account. Come on, Kaggle, don't stop me. I can use a different phone number, but I'll have to get the phone that is in a different room. I am going to try and do that. Yeah. Give me. No, don't give me anything yet. I'm going to get that phone number. Phone number's number. Yeah. my bad. Okay. Writing the phone number so that when I go to the other room I can just say take the number and verify it. So not saying it out loud. I'm having a hard time not saying the numbers out loud. Because, do you have this thing where when you count in your main language number. I don't know if English is your main language or not, but for me, like, I have a hard time counting in English, like small numbers even. Okay, I did it. I wrote the number. I'm saying I'm not a robot. I'm sending the verification code, and I will be right back. I'm even going to write it in chat just in case. I'll say be back in 5. And I'll put the be right back. Hello. I don't know why I am not. Hi. I don't know why I'm not getting the phone number code thing. The code to that other phone that. You're Arabic. Okay, that's cool. Thank you. The number is not getting the thing. Oh, shoot! I wrote it wrong. Great. Now I confiscated someone's phone because I wrote something wrong. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Go. Sending verification code. We should get it in just a bit. 3. I technically know Arabic, but I'm not an Arab person, so yeah, thank you. Sabr min al-iman. Okay, we'll do this. I got it. 1, 5, 2, 2, 6. I didn't have it selected. Did you do that on purpose? Wait, no, you were I thought you wrote typo by mistake, but you didn't. Yeah, we're verified. Alhamdulillah, finally. Whew. And I have the blue thing. Edit and copy. Okay. Sharing my screen again. Hi, we're back. I can now say copy and edit without getting the verification thing. I should really take this phone back soon. Okay. Error. Okay. Editor loading. Data is still not here. This is quite interesting, isn't it? Like, I thought they would make this easy for me, but they are not. Let's see if there's anything different here. I just love I really love this notebook style things. Ooh, Jupiter, amazing. You remind me of a fun debate. What does it to be? Arabic is not a person, it's a language. It's not like I don't think it's an ethnicity. Speak Arabic as a main language, be born in MENA region, have Arabic parents. People are, I suppose people can be English. Alhamdulillah, we did it. Let's see if this works, if this part works. But like, people still are. I should do the pip install things, right? You are telling me deprecation warning. It's a warning. It's not an error, right? It's a warning. Okay, so I should get my data. Is this upload? Yes. Add data. Competition data sets. Yo, see, I knew it. This would be easy. Something about bulldozers. Bull. You can attach data sets, I believe. Yes, but also I can just do this. Did I add it or did I remove it? Now add it. What am I doing? You know better, by the way. No. Yes, but like, even, yeah, okay, being Arab just means you speak the Arabic language, right? No, okay, fine, being Arab, that makes sense. But like, people think that you can be Arabic or something, which is not true. Okay, we have the data. I already had the data, but where is it? It's yeah. That's the plan. Ignoring warnings. I have output. I have input. But is it? MashaAllah. Look, I was like, how can I get the path? And it's like, here, copy the path. we have to deal with them in production at work. Okay. And then you delete everything? Don't remind me. I deleted a database at like production once, so I still get nightmares. Not really, but you know. Path. Let's do this. Yes, that's true. That is indeed true. You know, if the system is working and the error is no big deal, and the user doesn't notice, then you know. Let's see. Oh, yeah, really? But I copied the path here. Sure, why not? Let's see. Data. Should it be like /data? Let's see. Here it says like right okay, path. Path. I shouldn't do this. No, I shouldn't do this. Something wrong with my path. Should I have dots somewhere? But you're saying no such thing, which is a lie. I have it. Isn't this in my directory? Don't know what's the issue. I had a professor that joked about this intern who deleted a production database table in his first day of internship. That is not the fault of the intern person, because the intern shouldn't have access. You know, when you go to those, there are like companies where you just have, there's just one admin user that has access to everything. Like, why? That wasn't me, by the way. I wasn't an intern. I was an employee. What's my error here? Okay, but wait. Data, train, invalid. Train. Can I tell you to? No. I can't tell you to Wait, do we have a command line? We shouldn't. My train CSV. Not you. Also not you. I'm gonna Google. Nope, nope, I don't have it. Oh, test. We have test. Where's train CSV? We have valid, but train is just a zip, and it's not letting me unzip it. You can type command after the because it's a shell thing. Got it. Thank you. Just like the ls. That makes sense. What's ALH? I actually don't know that one. For example, yeah, that would be ls. Current folder. You know what? I should say we have, right? That should give me that. Nothing. What's the code for current directory? Where did this dot come from? Okay. Okay. So I should change directory to input? But I gave you the full path. Like change directory to Kaggle input and then do ls. Is that right? Let's try. Nothing. Do I keep both? I thought just saying ls. The long way with human readable. Thank you. Yeah, I should definitely do the one where you just gave it to me. That code. Okay. Yeah, I'm still at the root place, right? I don't know. Like, what are these things? I don't have a folder structure. I don't see. I see data. Internet. Okay. I don't see a folder structure. A stands for all. Yes. Oh, H for hidden. Yeah, thank you. Why can't I get access to this here? Like, this is a folder, right? It's a folder, right? PWD is, yeah, thank you. Current directory, you're right. But isn't that a R thing? Kaggle working! I should go back! We're in output for some reason. So, just cd ... that's it. But again... So... Okay, I'm gonna go here. Say change directory once. And then check for the current directory. Oh wait, did I make a mistake? H stands for human readable. Oh. A for all and L for long listing format, and PW stands for print working directory. Thank you. So I guess this PWD is everywhere because I've used it in R. You're really doing a lot of heavy lifting. Sorry for that. Making you help me. I thought that doesn't that take you back? Anyway, if I say change directory to this, it should do that. Should it not? But it's not like I need to, but I'm just saying. Do I have to make it go back, or can I just have it go directly there? Can't. Cool, I don't mind. Don't. But it's an existing thing. Is it not a directory? Oh, now you can? Nope, it can't. It's in here. It's just here. Thank you, I appreciate that. See, this is output, this is input. It's always in output, not input. See? Kaggle / working. Is this screen too small? Main ls gives you the manual page. You can read all options. Thank you. Man, as in manual. Got it. Yep. Man pages. Yeah. Yes. I'm mostly, I need something and I search for it person instead of reading manual pages. Yeah. I'll check. You don't have to. Change directory. Oh, you know. I'm just gonna say commands. Huh? What's that? Switch frequency analysis. Why that? Did you copy it from somewhere, or? So this. Yes. Oh, why? Why is it %? What's with the %? Because like it should just be normal. Path to directory, path to folder. Oh, this is like takes you to home, but that's Linux. Should it work here? Do you think it would work here? Where's the dot? See, dot go back once, right? It's okay. No confusion, don't worry. But like the percentage I have up, I'm surprised about that one. Magic operator or something. Okay, really? So I could do that? So it's like a jump? Why not? Let's try it. I want you to, but I still need the. Would it work? Like all of these things, I guess for security reasons. I'm gonna try. Maybe yeah, okay. So I'm gonna remove this and do this. I'm there? Whoa, that was cool. So it's like saying I'm admin, do this. They don't want people to mess around. Of course. I'm still like I think it will still not work because see, yeah. Let's just take you to this directory. Is it a directory? That's like, see, it's not a directory. Like I'm here, but I can't see this. What is that? It's the project? Is it the whole project? It's a project. Can I just take the data from this? Let's see how I can do that. From GitHub. Thank you. That was really helpful. Just going to, where is it? Benchmarks, not where I want it to go. Data, transform, split data, pi. Hold up. Where's the data? Yes, but where is it? Benchmark. Utility. I am reading you. Download. I have to download the data? Fine. I couldn't use Kaggle for a while. I forgot to attach a data set and use it there. That's okay. You haven't used it for a while. I'm just gonna this is Data Explorer. Download all. Why not? I'm gonna download and upload it. Why not? Honestly. I think I'm downloading the zip file. While that happens, I'm going to put the screen on because just in case something happens. How's the download going? We have 20 seconds and then I'll just upload it. Add data. My data says there aren't any. Is this an upload button? Yes, I click it, nothing happens. Fun. Oh, okay, something's happening. Okay. My download is currently a few seconds left. Done. Done? Yes, done. Add it, browse files, downloads. Where is it? What was the name? Blue book. Please enter a title. I said title. We'll just call it Bulldozer. Bulldozer. Bulldozers. Okay, so we're uploading that. What was happening? All good? Okay, I can share the screen. Now. Hi. Okay. I have a question actually. The current scene is showing chat. Yes, I'll do that. Input dataset file. I'm uploading it and then I'll use it. We'll see what happens. Is the screen/chat thing okay, annoying, bad? Also, this is how you reach. Okay. So we still need the ... instead of just calling Kaggle. Should I try it while I'm here? While this is happening. Yeah, it's like the screen too small, not easy to see. Cause I could do this, but then chat wouldn't be here, and I like having chat here. No data added first. But now data is here. The things that I was doing are saved and also run. So I should say ... input. That's it. Let's see. Did I run it? Okay. And then if I say ls path, it doesn't see the directory. It's quite weird. Maybe it's not a directory. Maybe it's or like even here, I could write data, but I don't know if it's right or not. I just don't know. I wanted to paste the link. Apparently I can't. I don't know how to do access things. I can I can put you in timeout, which I'm not gonna do, but I can have you as a moderator. I can pin your message. Don't know how to. I guess YouTube just doesn't allow links. I know Twitch didn't allow links, but then I changed the setting and then it worked because people were sending me links for some things. It won't work because we changed the directory. Remember? The remember part is like, God, what is wrong with you? Sorry. Yes, but we're just looking at a path, aren't we? Try go back to the initial directory or change the path accordingly. This is where we are. Kaggle input. If we were in like the main place, checking for this one. Okay, so going back to the main would be change directory. I'm gonna try this. Why did I write you? There. That should take me to root. That's way too far. No. It was cute. It wasn't, I didn't take offense. It's just the style of talking that I do with kids, that's why. So now we're in root, which is like way too far. Yeah. I might have messed up. I'm gonna just say take me to Kaggle. This should work, right? Yes. And then I'm just gonna say ls what I have. What do we have? What do you see? You should be able to see input and output. Yes, we see input. We see working. We see input. Okay. So if I just go to input and then ask for ls, what do we see here? Astaghfirullah, subhanallah. Your home directory is root when you spin up Docker containers. You know a bit. I've heard it, I just don't use it, so not really. But I didn't need to use this thing. It's just input and it's already there. Yes. So that's already here. So just saying input, and guess what? It was already written like this when I edited this, so things were fine. I just made a mess of things, and yeah, we have everything. Now we'll just go for alhamdulillah, you know. Great. That was a mistake-ish. I'm just gonna keep them because it's learning mistakes that are useful. Shut up. Not you. Sorry. My phone. We're good. We are good. Alhamdulillah. Now, I think the guy didn't run anything yet. So I'm gonna go back to the video, okay? Thank you so much for your patience, by the way. We found the data. The data was with us all along, and it wasn't about the data, it was about the friends we made along the way, right? As it always is. Okay. But I don't have the data CSV, the training data. So I will maybe need to unzip it. The guy did the unzipping elsewhere, didn't he? Alhamdulillah. He didn't do it here. Okay. Let me double check if I have the train. What? What do you mean? It's for oh yeah, the shut up part. Okay, thank you. I don't need you. And I don't have this train. I still test, not train. It's fine though. Maybe we'll see. Cause like testing, training, validation. Why isn't train here? Data dictionary. We should. Okay, I'll try to use the same code he did, which was, if I go back, he did.
Okay, unzip.
Just unzip? Okay, let's do that. But it's the whole thing. His is the whole thing. Let's try and say, unzip train. Cannot create it. It's a read-only file system. I've been given the tool that that's okay. Yeah, there's a latency. That's cool. Okay. Chill. So if it's read-only, why? Let's see if we face issue, and then we'll mess with the unzipping part, okay? Let's see.
I kind of add path to the path. Or you can even use Python variables. If you use a Python variable inside a Jupyter Shell command, my puddle, then you're pointing at the wrong spot. Yes. Let me. It's up here.
Can you explain again what the curly brackets are for?
Yeah, so the curly brackets refer to the fact that I put an exclamation mark at the front, which means the rest of this is not a Python command, it's a bash command. And bash doesn't know about capital path because capital path is part of Python. So this is a special Jupyter thing which says expand this Python thing, please, before you pass it to the shell. Thank you. So the goal here is to use the training set, which contains data through the end of 2011, to predict the sale price of bulldozers. And so
So odd.
the main thing to
Data
start with then is,
set.
of course, to look at the data.
Oh.
Now, the data is in
No.
CSV
Okay.
format, right? So one easy way to look at the data would be to use shell command head to look at the first 2 lines, head, bulldozers, and even tab completion works. here.
Head,
You can do those
shoulders.
if you want. Right, so here's the first few 5 lines, okay? So there's
So we'll
like
need to
a bunch
train
of column headers
CSV
and
file.
there's a bunch of data. So that's pretty hard to look at. So what we want to do is take this and read it into a nice tabular format, okay? So does Terence putting his glasses on mean I should make this bigger, or is it okay? Is this big enough font size, everybody? Okay. So this kind of data, where you've got columns representing a wide range of different types of things, such as an identifier, a value, a currency, a date, a size, I refer to this as structured data. Now, I say I refer. There have been many arguments in the machine learning community on Twitter about what is structured data. Weirdly enough, this is like the most important type of distinction is between data that looks like this and data like images where every column is of the same type. Like that's the most important distinction in machine learning, yet we don't have.
The zip file. Yes. Open the zip file without unzipping. I just looked that up. I'm sorry for making you work. Okay. So we can just. Do I need the bash? Command thing? Do I guess I do. If I don't know what I'm doing. Shut up. So to look at that, thank you. The code for looking at a file, what was it? It's not concat, it's something weird like that. Let's check. Let's say open text, not open, but like text file in CMD, something like that. Cat, thank you. Basically concat, okay. Basically. Isn't it? Let's see. But would it work for a zip file? That I'm curious about. Whoa, something's happening. Good or bad? Ah! No. It's bad. I think. Ooh, what is this? Whoa. Okay, so I think it's just showing us cancel. Please cancel. Stop. Stop. Thank you. Yeah, like head, like what the guy just did. But the thing is, this is like encrypted because it's a zip. Yeah. The instructor was also using head just now. Yes, we'll do that after it cancels the run. I'm gonna refresh, which is a mean thing. Okay. Oh, sorry. Did I lose anything? No, okay. Let's do head instead of cat. That's better. Okay, but this is not what we want, so it's really weird. Like we have all the CSV files instead. God, I can't words. Just not train. let's go for, instead of the zip one, for the 7Z one, and see. Nope, same. Train and valid together. Makes no sense. And if I go for the test one, it's a comma separated T capital. Yeah, see, this is what the file should look like, the train one. Let's go and say, oh wait, we know how to unzip, we just don't have access. That's the issue. Cool. Okay, so I'm gonna try. Give me like 2 minutes with hiding my screen. I'm gonna try and upload the data. Unzip it like in my own here. Open. Unzipped. The train, it's still the same. The training is still not, so I'm gonna open this one. Yay, we have the CSV file. So I'm gonna try and drop it here if that allows it. If it doesn't, then we'll just do the whole uploading thing on our side. Can I just drop it? Eee. No. No, that's not how it works. Add data from my datasets. I don't have a dataset. I just uploaded one, dude. Okay, yeah, sure. Add a CSV file. Not here. Upload. I'm gonna go for upload. I'm gonna say drag and drop. Let's do that. Bismillah. Ugh, fine. Just call it a train. No, I have to call a bulldozer train. Dozer train. Okay. Uploading. Why is it taking you time to upload? That's surprising. You can't send snippets of code either? How can I edit that? I'm sorry. I can't. Let's see. I can't see settings for that, but if I find them, I will. So you can't just paste anything. That's the rule. Quite odd. Okay. So currently this is being uploaded, and it's actually pretty big. My brain thought it's kilobytes instead of megabytes. So I'm gonna see if this goes to, it's going to my data sets. It's not going to here for some reason, but yeah, it's security reasons, but Twitch allows you to turn it off. Don't know if YouTube does. Maybe it's even the amount, like if you copy and paste just like a few words, maybe it allows you. I don't know, I haven't tried. How long have we been streaming? 1 hour and 44 minutes. Yes, the training part is the biggest part. 80% of the data. Yeah, 80-20. That's true. Okay. Let's hope things go well. And I am. Oh, that's not bad. 20 minutes in. Validation test data first? What do you mean? Why? The validation test data is for testing. It's not for training. Why would I get what you're saying. You're telling me to just test it. Thank you for the luck. I could try it on the validation data. I'm like, but then wouldn't that be cheating? I don't want my model to see the test data. But you have a good point. Let's... Why not? Let's see. It's already unzipped. The odd part is the test data is already unzipped. I think you can see it here. Test is already comma separated style. So okay, we can say head for I actually just did see head test. So yeah, we can test it on that. I'll play the video and see where we're going, because
have standard accepted terms. So I'm going to use the terms structured and unstructured. But note that other people you talk to, particularly in NLP, in NLP people use structured to mean something totally different. Right? So when I refer to structured
like a JSON
data,
file?
I mean columns of data that can have varying different types of data in them. By far the
good point. You're right. It's because of the size. Yeah, that's a good point.
The most important tool in Python for working with structured data is pandas. Pandas is so important that it's one of the few libraries that everybody uses the same abbreviation for it, which is PD. So you'll find that one of the things I've got here is from fast.ai imports import star. Right? The fast.ai imports module has nothing but imports of a bunch of hopefully useful tools. So
whoa.
all of the code for fast.ai is inside the fast.ai.
Did you see how he went back here? ... That's funny.
By the fast.ai repo, and so you can have a look at imports, and you'll see it's just literally listed imports, and you'll find there pandas as PD. And so everybody does this, right? So you'll see lots of people using PD dot something. They're always talking about pandas.
Yeah.
So pandas lets us read a CSV file.
Yeah.
And so when we read the CSV file,
you're right.
we just tell it the path to the CSV file, a list of any columns that contain dates, and I always add this low memory equals false. That's going to actually make it read more of the file to decide what the types are.
So you can make it true.
Okay. Is something called a Python 3.6 format string. It's one of the coolest parts of Python 3.6.
Okay. What is that?
You've probably used lots of different ways in the past in Python of interpolating variables into your strings.
Yeah. Going back 3 times in a row, or going back to root and then saying cd the folder. Both works. Whichever is faster.
Python 3.6 has a very simple way that you'll probably always want to use from now on. And it's you create a normal string, you type an F at the start, and then if I define a variable, then I can say hello, curlies.
Wow.
Okay. This is kind of confusing. These are not the same curlies that we saw earlier on in LS
all the
command,
curlies.
Right? The LS command is specific to Jupyter, and it interpolates Python code into shell code. These curlies are Python 3.6
for concatenating.
They require an F at the start, so if I get rid of the F...
F means function, right? Maybe?
No.
Interpolate. Yeah, obviously.
Okay, so the F tells it to interpolate. And the cool thing is, inside that
cool word.
curlies, you can write any Python code you like, just about. So for example, name dot upper. Hello, Jeremy. Okay,
that's cute.
So I use this all the time. And
yeah, same learning paths at uni. That's a cute emoji. Yeah, it's weird when you use shell for the first time. You're like, you're under the hood, right?
It doesn't matter because it's a format string. It doesn't matter if the thing was. I always forget my age. I think I'm 43. It doesn't matter if it's an integer, right? Normally, if you do string concatenation with integers, Python complains. No such problem here.
Will there come a time where I forget my age? That's odd.
Okay, so
cool.
So this is going to read path/train.csv into a thing called a data frame. Pandas data frames and R's data frames are kind of pretty similar. So
whoa,
if you've used
that's
R
cool.
before, then you'll find that this is reasonably comfortable. So this file is 9.3 meg,
Mhm.
and its size is
I think we have the same
sorry,
training.
112 meg.
Yeah.
112 meg, and it has 400,000 threads.
Wow.
Okay, so it takes a moment to import it.
So we should try and run
So when
this.
it's done,
If our training is... Yeah, I know, but what? Bulldozer training? Dataset? Why not? Let's do that. Then I'll get that bulldozer training. Don't want to confuse you, but keep that in mind. There's a better way to deal with paths in Python. Pathlib library. Interesting. I haven't used it. I'll keep that in mind when I'll need it. And yeah, we are actually currently using Python, so I will not go deeper right now, because like this is as shallow as I am going. I'm gonna use this. That's a pretty... Ooh, that's pretty. That's a good idea. It's just the training one. So I'm going to... Someone did that. That's actually really nice. And the fact that CAG realizes it is also pretty nice. Yeah, that's what I needed. That's so cool. But why is it just 10 megabytes? Mine is 100. Anyway, that's cool. Thank you. So it should come to my input. Now I have... And it's just train, right? Yes! Will I be able to see it? Path. What do we have in path? Is the train here? Subset of the whole data. Yeah, I'm guessing, because it's a pretty big... Boo-hoo. I didn't refresh anything. Okay, now we have actual folders because it's multiple. Got it. Can I? Oh, what? It said... By the way, you can create your own dataset in Kaggle and attach them to your notebook. Yes. The thing is, it caught on the fact that I'm duplicating this. So when it comes the time to do that, I will. But can I drag this here? I'm guessing not. Okay, that's fine. So now I have two folders for the training. I'll have two paths. Train path, train path, and then other path, and then I'm just gonna call it other path. Quite lazy, but what can we do? Thank you for the note, by the way. So now that we have two folders, I can say training dataset, and then not training dataset. There, we have two paths now. And then you should have train. Oh, you are no longer a thing. Train. Lovely. And I can actually do this now. Where am I? Not training data set. Thank you. I call it other, but same idea. We are in working, which means output. But I said, didn't we call it train path? We called it train path. Okay, so in the path, in the first path, we have this. So I should be able to just look at this. It even when did I just check? Wasn't I able to check what's inside this? Yeah, I can. Should I change my directory to that again? Does it matter? Let's see. Yeah, and if I say change directory to the training path, we can also do that. Change directory. Would you go? Did you go? They're going to break if you change directory. If your path, my path is my path. Oh, it is. Cool. We can make it absolute. Here. I'll just you stay here. I'll add another line of code where it says change directory to this absolute path. But why do I have to? I guess I have to. Anyway. Yay! Solving problems at a faster speed, I suppose, which is good. Now I can do this. No, my path. I have a train path. Oh! Wait. Let's see if this works. I'm gonna test this. Because last time... PD not defined. Shut up. It should be here. Did it stop? Imports will be... an easy way to do this is to use command real path. So that's like a relative path thing. So it gives me the path of the file. Whoa, PHP has this. I don't like PHP. Okay, time's almost up. And it gives me if there are absolute... No, I get it. Really? We have more cats than dogs, so don't worry. And I love cats. Okay, that's cool. Return value returns a pointer to the path. Nice. What's this error? It's NumPy related. I'm gonna run this again just in case. My thing was restarted. Everything was restarted. I haven't personally used PHP, but I have helped someone like debug issues in PHP, and I also was in a group where the code was done in PhD, like school related things, but I was like the write, report, and present person for that one, even though, yeah. What is not found? The file. That is fine. That I expect. Train path, and that's it. We have it right there. Still error. The other one, yeah, was a warning, but this one is an actual error. It's telling me that still file not found, but also yes, warnings we always ignore warnings unless it becomes an error. Input, isn't that just a lie? Input, blue book for bulldozer training dataset //train doesn't exist. That is like not true. Deprecation warning, meaning the yes. Yeah. Meaning I'm using an old version. You're right. API will change, so stick to the current version to avoid breaking things. Sometimes like I would update if there was a deprecation warning, but not for this, because this is an old-ish internet relative terms. Look right here. Train path. And we don't. It's here. This is the train path. This is the train file. This is the file, us opening it, and I think the sales price thing that we wanted. So why can you not see it? Did you say no? Do I have a I don't have a Discord server, and yes, it is quite slow. I don't think I could use a Discord server's chat in stream. Convenience related, but having a better internet will decrease latency on my side, so it's mostly my fault. The chat is really slow, you're right. I don't want to choose stuff about things you already dealt with. I don't mind. Because I think the trick is no, I don't mind. The trick is getting you to talk so I have engagement. Okay, sales date, not sales price, but that doesn't matter. What matters is the file not found error. Look, if I put this, I don't know, like, can I ls this? Not really. I can ls this part. Let's try. That's funny. Why can't I access this? Think about where to send you snippets of code and stuff. Yes. Okay. Food for thought. Yes. Should I try Discord? I think I don't know, it's like a new thing added to think about. Okay, what's in train path? Let's check. Yeah, literally this. And I look. I need to put you up. Go up. Can I drag you up? I can't. Can I drag you up? Ah, yallah. Hold up. Can I drag you up? Yes, I can. Okay, go up. A bit more. Right there. Okay. Is this the same? Is this not the same thing? Is it the / thing? Why not? No, it's not, obviously. Input, blue, book, for, bulldozer, training, the other side. And when I ls this... Wait. Hey, that was mean. Yeah, but it works here. Even if it's a relative... Oh. This is not a relative path. Okay, fine. We'll update our path not to be a relative path, if that's the issue. Okay. Just the train for now as a test. But it was working, you know? You saw it. Eee. Okay. This is definitely very frustrating for you. Where are we again? Did I change paths? Okay. I'm here. And what do we have here? Oh, bad internet? Train. Can I access the train? I can. Can I say ls? Maybe not. I can't, which is weird. This is weird, isn't it? Okay, maybe this backslash is needed. Yeah, thank you. I am taking your advice into... Hey, it was the backslash. Okay. I have done the just using not non-relative paths because it's faster and lazier. So let's see if that helps with this little guy here. Do I have a double? No. Okay, good. Because there's a / here. I didn't want to mess. Possibility of it working is not low, as it is loading. And like Jeremy said, it's a big file, so it might load for a few minutes. We solved it. Thank you. By the way, I'm calling you Stofa. I don't know if that's your name. Is it Mustafa? Are my detective radars working? No, it's common problem. Relative paths are concise, but they force you to be in the same starting point. Verbose. That's a cool word. But they give you freedom to be whatever you want. Good point. Okay.
Done.
That was loud. That was loud.
But when it's done...
Okay. By the way, I have Twitter. You can message me there, but that doesn't mean I can answer you because I'm live right now. No. I wasn't talking about that backslash. I was talking about this. This is a path thing. Okay. Nice to meet you. It's a beautiful name.
We can...
Stofa, that's an interesting shortening of your name.
Type the name of the data frame, dfraw, and then use various methods on it. So for example, dfraw.tail will show us the last few rows of the data frame. By default, it's going to show the columns along the top and the rows down the side, but in this case there's a lot of columns, so I've just said .transpose to show it the other way around.
Stufa,
I've created one extra function here, display
my
all.
nickname should be pronounced Stufa in Tunisian. Really? Wow, that's really interesting, because I don't think we have... Do we have... we have some really bad nicknames. Not bad, but like stupid for Mustafa. Like Musto, that's it. But you guys went for the other part, Stufa. Because yeah, if I can pronounce your name the correct way, why shouldn't I? I have people pronouncing my real name like in a English anglicized way. If I can do it, I will do it, you know? I like pronouncing things correctly. Stufa. And it's a t, it's not a t, right? Not a small t, it's a t. Okay, let's go.
Normally, if you just type df raw,
That's
if
cool.
it's too big to show conveniently, it truncates it and puts like little
I've never been in Tunis, so.
ellipses in the middle. So the details don't matter, but this is just changing a couple of settings to say, even if it's got 1,000 rows and 1,000 columns, please still show the whole thing.
No.
Okay, so this is finished. I can actually show you that. So if I just type, this is really cool. In Jupyter Notebook, you can type a variable of almost any kind, a video, HTML, an image, whatever, and it'll generally figure out a way of displaying it.
Whoa.
Okay, so in this case, it's a pandas data frame.
That's
It figures
amazing.
it out a way of displaying it for me. And so you can see here.
Steph? Huh, is it? Is it? Steph? That's weird. I don't think I've heard that. And I'm from Iraq. Wow. Cool.
That by default, it's actually doesn't show me the whole thing. So here's the data set. We've got a few different rows. This is the last bit, the tail of it.
That's cool. I mean, we normally try not to create nicknames from the name of, our prophet, but also it's cute as well. Like having someone named Muhammad, you try not to make their names shorter because as respect. But even Mustafa, it's cool.
Right, last few rows. This is the thing we want to predict, price. Okay, and then all of the
Predicting price. Do I have the tail thing? I do. Yes. I'm guessing that really was from the where I'm from part. Yes. I don't want to display all, but I will check the tail. Oh, sorry, define, not defined. Got it. Ooh, that's cool. Display all. I heard Araki saying stuff about Mustafa's. Maybe in the, different region related things. I don't know. Display all, describe, include all. What is the difference between this and that? Let's look at the function. Display. Ah, this was only tail. Okay. What time is it? Oh god. I think I was supposed to go in like 10 minutes ago, but I'm having Safaz and Alans. I know, dude, I'm Muslim. Yeah, it means chosen one. Yeah, but like it's one of the ways we would call our prophet. Mustafa. What was it that I wanted to check? Time of streaming was one thing I wanted to check. Whoa, yeah. Plan was to leave after 2 or around 2. I think I'm having too much fun. How many minutes do we have here? I'll do the read CSV one, and then we won't evaluate. But this is like I'm in the meat of it, and it's really fun. God, okay.
Yeah, so we call this the dependent variable.
Yeah.
Is the price. And then we've got a whole bunch of things we could predict
Back to
it with.
study, remember using
And
transpose.
when I start with a data set,
Yeah.
I tend, yes, Terrence, can I give you this?
Transposing matrix is something that we would do a lot, right? Like I learned transpose in MATLAB.
Hello, Jeremy.
Hi, Terrence.
Sallallahu alaihi wasallam, yes.
I've read in books that you should never look at the data because of the risk of overfit. Why do you start by looking at the data?
Yeah, so I was actually going to mention, I actually kind of don't. Like, I want to find out at least enough to know that I've managed to import it okay, but I tend not to really study it at all at this point.
Whoa.
because I don't want to make too many assumptions about it. I would
Really? But shouldn't we have a theory that we could, I did a course on data science recently, and learning about the data was actually a thing that we did before running our models, because then we'd have a theory and we could either prove it or disprove it based on the models. So that's a different way of looking at it.
would actually say most books say the opposite. Most books do a
Yeah.
whole lot of EDA, exploratory data analysis, first.
Academic books.
Yeah, academic books.
The academic books I've read say that's one of the biggest risks of overfitting. But the practical books say let's do some EDA first.
Yeah, so the truth is kind of somewhere in between. And I generally try to do machine learning driven EDA, and that's what we're going to learn.
MATLAB. Cool.
So the thing I do care about, though, is what's the purpose of the project? And for Kaggle projects, the purpose is very easy. We can just look and find out. There's always an evaluation section. How is it evaluated? And this is evaluated on root, mean, squared, log, error.
Oh,
So this means we're going to look at the difference.
I know root mean squared error, but I don't know the root mean. Wait, I know root mean error, or is it root mean? I do mean hypothesis. Thank you for that. For the theory hypothesis part. Yes. Us bilinguals don't need to know everything. Yeah, I mean, yeah, in a way, the model does. Because when you run the data, like I had a hypothesis and then the data actually was like not agreeing with me. So I was like, so I had this hypothesis and the data didn't agree with me. That was my report. And I got pretty good marks for it in the course. I mean, it was a pass or fail, and I passed that. Point is, I didn't get like great. I was evaluating the root mean squared error, not the log part, and I didn't get like good numbers, but still, yay, yeah. Mean square error, root mean square error, but not the log part. Same. I think the log part makes it look pretty when you visualize it. But even the root mean square error does that. I think logging is just to make big numbers small, right? Am I correcting my math? Remembering my math correctly?
Between the log of our prediction of price and the log of the actual price, and then they're going to square it and add them up.
Square it and add them
So
up,
because
sure.
they're going to be focusing on the difference of the logs, that means that we should focus on the logs as well. And this is pretty common, like for a price, generally you care not so much about did I miss by $10, but did I miss by 10%.
See?
Right? So if it was $1 million thing and you're $100,000 off, or if it's a $10,000 thing and you're $1,000 off, often we would consider those equivalent scale issues. And so for this auction problem, the organizers are telling us they care about ratios more than differences, and so the log is the thing we care about. So the first thing I do is to take the log. Okay. Now NP is NumPy. I'm assuming that you have some familiarity with NumPy. If you don't, we've got
Barely.
a video called Deep Learning Workshop, which actually isn't just for deep learning, it's for basically for this as well. And one of the
Did you
parts
just see this closed captioning being wrong?
Deep Learning Workshop, which
He said it's for all, and it's saying it's for all.
actually isn't just for deep learning, it's for basically for this as well. And one of the parts there, which we've got a time-coded link to.
Professor Nuni telling us that log is used to visualize huge numbers, so your math is on point. Thank you. I failed math twice at uni, so I am proud of the fact that I am mathing correctly, even though I was getting like 90s in high school, so my fault.
There's a quick introduction to NumPy.
Even log scale to visualize stuff tend to increase exponentially. Yeah, true. I said I won't watch the evaluation section. I'm watching it. I will stop right here because I need to go. I really have to. Okay.
Basically, NumPy lets us treat arrays, matrices, vectors, high-dimensional tensors as if they're Python variables, and we can do stuff like log to them, and it'll apply it to everything.
Okay, so are we visualizing
work
it?
together very nicely. So in this case, dfraw.salePrice is pulling a column out of a pandas data frame.
It's for Hal. Wait, what? Hal? Yeah. Rahal. It was written Rahal.
Which gives us
That was a good delay. Pretty long delay.
a pandas series. right? It shows us the sale prices and their indexes,
He said it's for all, and then he stopped. Anyway.
right?
Oh, we were not visualizing. We were
And
just
a
looking.
series can be
Are we?
passed
No.
to a NumPy,
Log.
which is pretty handy.
Did we just update dfraw from normal being log? Okay.
And so you can see here, this is how I can replace
Cool.
a column with a new
Replace.
column.
I thought he would make a new column instead of replacing it. Why replace data? That's not good practice, is it? Did he say new?
You can see
How
here,
I
this is
can
how
replace
a column with a new
with
column.
a new column?
Pretty easy.
Had a flip experience. I used to suck at math in high school but survived math in uni. Proud of you, pal. Proud of you. I was fine. I'm still scared of math, but in a loving way.
So, okay, now that we've replaced the sale price with its log, we can go ahead and try to create a random forest. What's a random forest? We'll find
I
out in
know.
detail, but in brief, a random forest is a kind of universal machine learning technique. It's a way of
Easy to
predicting
understand.
something that can be of any kind. It could be a category, like is it a dog or a cat, or it could be a continuous variable like price.
Cool.
It can predict it with columns of pretty much any kind, pixel data, zip codes, revenues, whatever. In general, it doesn't overfit. It can, and we'll learn to check whether it is, but it doesn't generally overfit. too
Yeah,
badly.
don't
It's
touch raw
very,
data,
very
I
easy to
agree.
make to stop it from overfitting.
Edit, not
you don't
add.
Need,
I mean-
we'll talk more about this. You don't need a separate validation.
Wait, no, sorry.
set in
Add,
general.
not edit. there's a thing we learned. It's add, not edit, not edit, not. Add, not edit. Yes. Okay.
It can tell you how well it generalizes, even if you only have one data set.
Mm.
It has few, if any, statistical assumptions. It doesn't assume that your data is normally distributed. It doesn't assume that the relationships are linear. It doesn't assume that you've specified the interactions. It requires...
The fact that I took this data science course, it was mostly a beginner, but still gives me surprisingly more confidence in just understanding what he's talking about. Like, if I was listening to him talk 6 months ago, I might have not understand what he was saying. But now, like, the mean square error thing, the random forest thing, I'm like, I actually know. I may not know it fully, but I know what he is talking about. I know the keywords at least. Still have flashbacks of early failing exams, but you'll eventually get over it. The problem is in the system, not in us. Thank you. And also, I don't know, am I old enough to not get failing exam dreams? I'm pretty old. I've been out of school for a while. But I mean, I have a master's degree, so I've been in school maybe more than most, but still, it's been a while. I got my master's 5 years ago, so yeah. 5 to 19. Okay. Yeah, you know, maybe, I don't know.
very few pieces of feature engineering for many different types of situation. You don't have to take the log of the data. You don't have to multiply interactions together. So in other words...
Dude, I said I'll stop streaming after evaluation, and now I'm looking at the random forest thing. I'll have to stop. It's pretty long. Okay. I'm actually liking this. I had fun today. And we watched like a pretty okay amount. We went from 20 minutes. That's okay. I moved way faster than I was moving yesterday. Yesterday was a slow, but I also had help yesterday, so that was fun. I just, like, I have a, oh shoot, wrong scene. The fact that there are people who are willing to help me with this is actually really nice, and like give me your time. Like, you don't have to, so that was cool. Ah, you're a baby. You have a 5-year-old software engineering degree. My bachelor's degree is 7 years old? Yeah, 7 years old. Mine is older than you. Can go to school. Yours can't. Okay. Thank you. My normal schedule is Fridays and Saturdays, but like this is too much fun for me not to do this during the workday. I'd still do it like this time, early in the morning for me. So I don't know if I have motivation to actually do this again tomorrow. so I don't know if I will. Thank you. You can actually react. There are like you're clapping from like thank you, but also you can react. There's a react button, which is pretty cool. Okay. Today was so much fun. I appreciate your time and your help, and I think I learned quite a lot. Just opening Kaggle and all that. That was also fun. I will try to maybe stream again sometime this week. If not, Friday is for sure. I will add the schedule when I'm sure. Yeah, I'll probably update it on Twitter if I do or not. Who knows? Okay, thank you. I should go. Today was fun. I did not expect to stream for almost 2.5 hours. Well, mashallah, that's a lot. See you next time, and I hope this was useful. Okay, I'm gonna close the stream in. No, I have Twitch, but this course that I'm taking will be on YouTube. Yes, we are currently on YouTube. But I said Twitter, by the way, not Twitch. But I can have the schedule even, let me show you. Like if I go to my channel, and if I go to this live, you can see my yesterday's live, and currently we are live. That's cool. And if there's a new live, you'll see it in the schedule. Yeah. No, I'll stay on YouTube because I have a bigger audience here. But also I've been streaming on Twitch for a while actually. But I think I'm gonna, I don't know, like phase out there. We'll see. Which message? Okay, so yeah, I'm trying to slowly close so that if you have any questions you can ask me, because the latency is at least like 10 seconds. Yeah, this was really fun. I honestly don't expect anyone to watch this. It's mostly me just learning, but the fact that people are watching and helping me learn, that's really kind of you, and I appreciate it. And I hope this can be useful for maybe someone who needs learning these things with me. Maybe. If we have homework, that would be more fun. We'll see. So thank you for your time. Thank you for your energy. And inshallah, I'll be back depending on how my schedule works. So maybe I'll update that on... Oh, even the community tab. I can update that. We'll see. Alright. I'm gonna close this in 5, 4... Twitch deletes old streams. That's true! Which is why YouTube is pretty cool. The fact that it will stay there forever. Yeah, I agree. Having a bigger audience, having it stay so that people can watch it, because me taking the whole course, it would be cool if someone has a question somewhere and can go back and have my solution as theirs. That would be amazing. Like, that would be super useful. Yeah. And also, like, yeah, YouTube is YouTube. I love YouTube. Also, Twitch is pretty nice. I really like it, but yeah, like reaching partner there was easier for me. I have like 60 something followers there. Yeah, but YouTube, I've been here for thank you. I've been here for since 2020, and I still haven't made partner, so it's my fault. I'm not as active as I should be, and also not consistent, but I hope the streaming will help. Okay, now I will go, for real, even though there might be latency. You can message me on the community tab or Twitter if you have anything else to say, and I should go. So thank you, and see you next time. And I should do the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 so that instead, in case anyone wants to say something. Okay.